back, my beautiful Wakanda people. Wakanda forever. Yeah, I just watched it the other day, so pardon me for being a late comer, but I watched it. Anyway, this look that you see here, this look, this, do you see that highlight? Some black up in this joint. Anyway, I am going to showcase like everyday glow Wakanda look. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you're rocking it to go see the king and kabam! This is how you look with your afro and everything. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Anyway, before I head out, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, tafadhali, just click that subscribe button, the kengele right next to it, and you'll be getting updates. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Like, jump into it. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. To the new subscribers, mwah, cheers. You're awesome. Spread the word around. Get people to watch this, like, share, whatever the case. Until next time, guys, you know how it does it.